Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign in with your email on CapCut for PC. CapCut PC doesn't show the sign in with email option directly, but there's a simple method that works perfectly. When you open CapCut on your PC, you'll notice that the sign-in screen only shows options like QR code, TikTok, Facebook, or Google, but no email option. To sign in using your email, you will need your phone. Now, open CapCut on your mobile device. Before continuing, make sure the CapCut app on your phone is updated to the latest version. If not, update it from the Play Store or App Store. Once updated, open CapCut on your phone. Now go to your PC and click Scan QR code. On your phone, tap the profile icon Me at the bottom right. Scroll down and tap Scan. Now use your phone to scan the QR code shown on your computer screen. After scanning, a confirmation message will appear on your phone. Tap Confirm to approve the login. And that's it. You're now successfully signed in to CapCut PC using your email account through the QR login method. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.